This final video in the series on Stan's customized Seydel Saxony. And the slider moves to new note hole positions without friction, providing the lip a place it can sit and doesn't have to reshape as you change note hole positions. Keep the harp a little cleaner. Of course, this has this custom ERGO button with a very different shape that's rounded out, and also moves the harmonica, your hand, a little further out so that as you play the high notes you don't slap your hand with this, and has a beautiful slide motion. Here's this. The covers have been opened up at the back and those stanchion screws are gone and the cover is open. Very, very lovely instrument.